Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a link to a QR code in Canva. This is a great way to direct people to a website, social media, or any online content with just a quick scan. On the Canva dashboard, let's start by adding a QR code. To do this, we just need to click the Add Apps button on the left side of the dashboard. From there, we just have to type QR code in the search bar. We will use this QR code option. Let's click on it. Now we can enter our link here. For example, www.facebook.com. Once we generate the code, our QR code is ready. When we scan it, it will open the link directly. And that's how we add a link to a QR code in Canva. With just a few simple steps, we can make our designs more interactive and useful.